Hi, I'm Betty, and I've been under the wonderful care of Joy Wellness Partners for over a year now. One of the things that I've had some help with has been the aging process regarding hormones. Carol Bender has introduced me to hormone pellets, and one of the things that they're supposed to do is take away some of the premenopausal symptoms. But one of the surprising things, and they've done that, but one of the surprising things that they have also done has been to help stabilize my blood sugars. I am a diabetic, have been for probably over 30 years, and prior to each menstrual cycle, I would have wild blood sugar swings that had no explanation. Well, since being on the pellets, that has calmed down significantly to the point that my most recent A1C blood sugar count was in the normal range. It was 5.9, and a normal person is supposed to be somewhere under 6. So I'm really excited about that.
Hello, Carol Bender here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more content like the one you just saw.